The first human patient has received a brain implant from Neuralink, the neurotechnology company founded by Elon Musk. The patient is reportedly recovering well after the procedure, and initial results are showing promising neuron spike detection. Elon Musk shared the development via his official Twitter handle. He also explained how the new technology will be able to help the patients in their daily lives. The first product from Neuralink, aptly named Telepathy, aims to change the way we interact with technology. It enables users to control their phones, computers, and almost any device simply by thinking. This could potentially open up a world of possibilities, especially for those who have lost the use of their limbs. In his tweet, Musk says the new implant enables control of your phone or computer, and through them almost any device, just by thinking. Initial users will be those who have lost the use of their limbs. He also claimed that the goal of the product is to make people with disabilities communicate faster than a speed typist or auctioneer. While this is just the beginning, the successful implantation marks a significant milestone for the company. Musk has been a proponent of merging human consciousness with artificial intelligence. Neuralink is a company that was founded by Elon Musk and a team of 7 scientists and engineers in 2016. These individuals are experts in various fields such as neuroscience, biochemistry, and robotics. The goal of the company is to create a device that can be implanted into the brain, enabling people to control computers and other devices merely by thinking. This could be incredibly beneficial for individuals who are unable to use their limbs. Source story by 𝗔𝗟-𝗔𝗠𝗘𝗡.